What the heck is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to another video. I have been getting flooded with questions, my DMs and my emails, questions on the last video I posted, the 650 horsepower mod list, you know, for my truck, the 6.7 Powerstroke. But the number one concern, the number one question you guys are asking is, can you daily drive the 5-inch? How is the 5-inch? It's all kind of questions around the 5-inch exhaust. I've made some videos about the 5-inch in the past. If you guys want to check those out, they'll be linked at the end. And real quick, I'm on the small camera. I hope the audio's okay. I always forget to plug in the big camera. I always forget to charge the battery. I go to fire it on in the morning, dead. But anyways, today we are daily driving with the 5-inch. Let's see what you guys think. Let's go. Is that your new ride over there?
Yeah, dude, look at that. 5th Ward.
What is that, 86 Honda?
It's fast. It's Suzuki, dude. It's not Honda. It's a Gixxer mobile.
Thank you. Thanks.
At first, set the field. Grande.
Alright guys, off the topic of the exhaust really quick, a lot of you guys ask about my fuel additive. I run the Hot Shot Secret everyday treatment. I'm not going to get into like tech spec details of it, but I met these guys at the Ultimate Callout Challenge. This is not a plug. I am in no way affiliated with Hot Shot Secret. I've been running this for quite some time under, you know, pretty good power, like 650 horsepower. I use it every single fill up, every single time I put gas in the truck. Everyday treatment goes in, and so far so good. We ran an actual fuel pressure test on my injectors and entire fuel system, and they are performing amazing, good as new. And I have 77,792 miles of pretty heavy use hot shot in the oil field. So yeah, that's what I use. Hot Shot Secret everyday treatment. $41 miles per 1600 RPMs, about 40 mile an hour. Nice deep rumble. Not too loud, not too obnoxious. Pretty much anything under 2000 RPM is very reserved. It's not like, you know, it's obnoxious. You know, you get into Cummins, woo, things are loud. But as soon as you hit over 2000 RPMs, it starts yelling at you. We're gonna do a little bit of that right here. Yeah, like it gets yelling at you. Coming in hot. We weren't speeding. So yeah, it definitely yells at you over 2000, but it's not anything obnoxious. It sounds actually very good. And then obviously, you know, I'm running the sport transmission tuning, which you know, kind of keeps it engaged in the gear a lot longer than normally. Normally you let off the gas, it'll upshift 4/5, you know, whatever speed you're going. But you know, I am holding 3rd. It's not going above 3rd, and you can kind of hear the exhaust sound. It's like slightly like the exhaust brakes on, but it's not as obnoxious. Very nice sound. So yeah, you know, back road city driving, awesome, epic. Hear a slight turbo whistle. Very nice. See that dude? He had like hip waders on.
It's knee deep
in the mud back there. All right, guys. So basically, you had some, you know, outside shots of just, you know, driving a little bit, you know, hard on it. Obviously, that's not like normal driving, but so like the long story short question answer is, you know, can you drive with a 5-inch? Is it too loud? What's it like driving with a 5-inch? I get like insane amounts of these questions. Long story short, absolutely, you know, it's not too loud. Under 2 grand, it's perfect. Over 2 grand, it yells at you, but it sounds very good. Me, I like that. I like a loud, more of a loud vehicle. You know, you can hear it, you know, actually doing something. You know, for the 6.7 Powerstroke, honestly, you know, the 2 videos will be linked at the end where I made, you know, I put the exhaust on this truck and we put it on my brother-in-law's. And there's no other exhaust that I personally, myself, my own opinion, would recommend for a 6.7 Powerstroke. They sound epic. You know, Cummins, they're very loud. You run a 5-inch on a Cummins, you know, it's pretty loud, but they sound very good also. So, I don't know, quick little video answering your guys' questions. If you guys have any more questions, post in the comments below, or shoot me a message on Instagram, DM me. Instagram linked right here. I try to get to every single message I can, but like I said in the last video, it's so hard because I literally get bombarded with like a zillion questions. So I hope these videos help in that kind of sense, where I can make a video and answer like a whole bunch of people. So, you know, here you go, daily driving with the 5-inch, and it's absolutely epic. I have no problems. I have our baby, she literally likes to go in here to take her naps because we drive around, and she literally sleeps so good to the sound, which is, you know, I guess that's nice. You know, just one of those babies where she wants to sleep in the car with the exhaust sound. As soon as the truck shuts off, she's up, and you know, we got to get her out. So she's in the truck, we're driving, she's sleeping. But yeah, I don't know, that's it. Quick little day today. We made our first post on TikTok. Guys, follow us on TikTok. Follow us on TikTok. It'll be right here on the screen. It's a super funny platform. It's, you know, a little weird and different and awkward, but it's 2020. We're getting in it, and yeah, follow us on there. We're gonna do a lot of funny stuff. I guess it's like skit type stuff. It's not like, you know, like vlogging or, you know, informational stuff. It's all for funsies. But yeah, hit us up on TikTok, and also don't forget, ask me some questions. You got questions on this truck, shoot me a DM. They actually give me nice YouTube content where I can make a video about the questions, so let me know. All right, that's it. I'm starting to ramble. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. We are on the rise, on the climb, and we are back. 2020, epic year. All right, I'm definitely rambling. And everything's gonna be sick for 2020. Seriously, check it out. Oh, gosh.